Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another haircut tutorial, and on this one we're doing a regular haircut with the taper fade. I've already cut the top, I styled it to the style my clients asked for, and I'm using number 2 on the side and back, and we're going straight away to taper fade, putting our first baseline, starting with the neck taper, getting rid of all the excess hair, and we're going to go straight to the fade. So we've got a base which is a number 2 and it's closed, and here guys we're using a number 1.5 open, and as we go down we gradually closing the blade until it's fully closed, following that with a number 1 open and close, and then following it again with the blade open and close. So here guys, we're using a blade open and number 1 open, and then as we go down we gradually start closing until it's fully closed. So as you see guys, here it's pretty much faded. We're just going to get rid of the skin line, and to do that we're going to close the blade until it's fully closed. And if we have a little bit to touch up, we're going to scratch the skin. We'll come back to the trimmer to get completely rid of the skin line. After we're done with the back our neck taper fade, we're going to move out straight away to the side bun taper fade, and doing the same method. Baseline first, number 1.5 open and close, and a blade, then number 1 open and close, then a blade open and close. It's very simple technique, easy to follow. And here guys, we're literally just doing a touch up. I see a bit of bulk there, or weight line, so I'm trying to smoothen it out with a number 2 close, and that's pretty much faded guys. And here guys, we're using a trimmer to do a shape up. It's very important to do a shape up when it comes to a taper fade. Shape up literally makes you taper fade stand out properly. That's the neck taper fade done. Just doing a bit of touch up here on the sides. Make sure you move the client's head to the point. So hey guys, after we finish our touch up, you're going to move to a side bun taper fade. And again, just doing the same method. Very simple. Side taper fade usually takes around 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. Very simple steps. We on this taper fade we'll be blending down to the beard as well. And yeah, let's do it. As you see guys, here we're using a number 1.5 and it's closed, and as we go down we gradually closing the blade until it's fully closed, and we move to our next guard, doing the same method. As I said earlier guys, we're going to be blending the beard downward as well, and following the same method apart from blending upward compared to blending downward on the taper fade. So guys, let me know, what do you think of this taper fade? What do you prefer, taper fade or skin fade? What's your favourite method when it comes to doing a skin fade, and what you get asked for more on the salon? Is it taper fade or skin fade, or long hair or scissor cut? Drop a comment below and let me know. Also guys, make sure you follow my Instagram page, and if you watch my videos, tag me in using my main account, barber. Tag me in and let me know, what do you think of these contents on general. So here guys, we're doing a beard and we're fading it again. As you see, we're using a number 1.5 open and close, and following up the number 1 open and close, and a blade open and close. Taper fade is really faded. Afterwards, it's going to use a trimmer to shape up, then we'll be able to see the taper fade. Just doing a bit, removing the bulk on that beard. We're keeping the length toward the chin, so toward the chin is pretty much the same. We just blending the side pretty much, and that's the side taper fade done. And we're gonna do a shape hop using my favorite trimmer, which is Slimline Pro. On the corners, we're just touching up and cleaning up cleaning up the corner, the hairlines. We're not shaping, we're not doing any shape up. Doing the same thing around the ears. Then we're going to move to the other sides. And again, starting with the baseline first, using a Slimline Pro, and then we're going to move straight to a number 1.5 open. Guys, make sure you pay attention to where you're holding your clippers. It makes a huge difference. So if you holding the clippers on the wrong way, you'll take too much time on the fading, and you're gonna have to go back and forth and doing a lot of touch up. The taper fade only takes 1 minute, as we said earlier, 1 or 1.5 minute maximum. Camera is out of focus now at the moment, but you still can see the taper fade is pretty much faded. We're just doing a touch up on the blade up and then close, and doing a bit of touch up on the side, removing that bit of weight over there. Guys, this kind of type of haircut is very simple and easy. Anybody could do. You know, it's very easy and simple steps. So as you see, guys, here, turning the head a little bit to be able to see where we're gonna do a touch up. It's always important to actually move the chair, because if you cut in from the same spot and you're not moving the chair, you're not moving the head of the client much, you won't be able to see what you're gonna have to go and do a touch up. So it's really nice. It's really important to move the chair around, to move the head client around. It makes a huge difference. You'll be able to see exactly what you've done. And here we're just doing a shape up again, using a trimmer, going around the ears, getting those lines sharp as possible. So we've done the taper fade and a shape up. We move to a scissor overcomb to smoothen the blend on both sides. And as you see, guys, here we're using a scissor overcomb, going straight up. We're not curving at 90 degrees from the head. We're not going inside. We're not rounding the shape off. We're keeping the shape square as possible, but we're just literally smoothing the blend. And as you see, guys, here, the way I hold my scissors, the bottom blade is steady and parallel to the bottom of the comb, consistent movements, and that's how you do a perfect scissor over the comb. You'll see here in a minute I will use my left hand as well. I do use my both hands to kind of rest other hand. Once one hand gets a bit tired, that I move to the other hand, and also gives you a full balance and full control if you're able to train your left hands. If you're a right-handed person, I'm a right-handed person, but I do use my left hand, as you see, same exact way I use my right hands. So pretty much that's pretty much it. It's all blended, it's looking nice and clean and sharp, and that's pretty much it, guys. We're doing a bit of touch up on the other side, and thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this regular haircut today with a taper fade. Comment below and let me know if you have any hairstyle that you want to see on the next tutorial. Also drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this haircut on a general, or this hairstyle. Basically it's a regular haircut but with the taper fade. Now I think it does looks really nice when you have a taper fade on a number 3 back and side, short to the top. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit the notification bell. I usually drop one tutorial every Monday 7 PM and every Thursday 7 PM. I'll see you on the next video.